birth of Jesus Christ, whose life teaches us forgiveness, compassion, and selfless service.
Now, get ready for the cuteness overloaded, as our tiny stars from pre-primary are all set to steal your hearts with their joyful Christmas dance under the guidance of
खुशियाँ लाया है सारे जहां में आज ये पैगाम आया है मसीहा आया है जग में खुशियाँ लाया है सारे जहां में आज ये पैगाम आया है मसीहा आया है जग में खुशियाँ लाया है उसे सुलाने मीठी लोरी गाती है बड़े प्यार से उसे सुलाने कानों पे सहलाती है मसीह का राज आया है तारे भी बतलाया है मसीह का राज आया है तारे भी बतलाया है क्या मसीहा आया है जग में खुशियाँ लाया है सारे जहां में आज ये पैगाम आया है मसीहा आया है जग में खुशियाँ लाया है
When family gather churches and light up with candles, even if we all don't celebrate it with the same way, but the spirit of Christmas is universal. It's about joy, love, and hope. The true meaning of this season is in respecting each other, differences, and finding wishes for all. Imagine the Santa Claus flying through the sky, delivering gifts to everyone, everywhere. That's a fun story, but it teaches us something important: the joy of surprising others with happiness. Christmas gives us hope that anything is possible, just like the stars that guided the wise men. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas. May the new year brings new adventures for you all, and may your dreams come true. Thank you everyone, and have a great Christmas.
नाजरत के शहर में मरियम नामक एक कुंवारी लड़की के पास अचानक एक स्वर्गदूत आ पहुंचा।
कौन है आप?
मरियम मत डर, मैं स्वर्गदूत जिब्राइल तेरे लिए एक सुसमाचार लाया हूँ।
सुसमाचार मेरे लिए?
जाति की सारी महिलाओं में से परमेश्वर ने तुझे चुना है।
परमेश्वर ने मुझे चुना है? ये कैसे हो सकता है?
यूसुफ, परमेश्वर के पास तुम्हारे लिए एक अद्भुत योजना है। मरियम एक पुत्र जनेगी और वह एक महान राजा होगा। वह शांति का राजकुमार कहलाएगा और तुम उसका नाम यीशु रखना।
उसे अच्छा और दवा न देना, चैनी में वो सो जाएगा।
मरियम और यूसुफ बालक यीशु से बहुत ज्यादा प्रेम करने लगे। उसी रात को बैतलहम शहर के बाहर चरवाहे अपने भेड़ों की पुत्र मसीहा है और उसका नाम यीशु है। तुम उसे एक चलनी। अरे हाँ, ये तो बिल्कुल सच है।
प्रणाम, आपका यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ?
परमेश्वर के द्वारा भेजा गया बालक को हम देख
नोखा तारा देखे। दूर पूरब देश से ज्योतिषियों ने उस तारे को देखते हुए चलने लगे। अंतिम बादशाह मशरिक के हैं, सजदा करने हम आए हैं। सफेद नूर का पीछा नूर का करके और तारा उसी गौशाले के ऊपर जा रुका जहाँ यीशु था। और ज्योतिषियों ने जान गए कि उन्हें बिल्कुल सही जगह ले आया गया।
हम बहुत ही दूर से आए, नए राजा का बड़ा दिन आया लेके खुशियां हजार, बड़ा दिन आया लेके खुशियां हजार, चलनी में आया यीशु महाराज, खुशियां ही खुशियां वो लाया हजार, चलनी में आया यीशु महाराज, चलनी में आया, चलनी में आया, चलनी में आया यीशु महाराज, चलनी में आया, चलनी में आया, चलनी में आया यीशु महाराज।
जश्न मनाए हम, जश्न मनाए हम, खुशी के गीत गाए हम, जश्न मनाए हम, कि पैदा हुआ सबका राजा, वो है हमारा मसीहा, पैदा हुआ सबका राजा, वो है हमारा मसीहा।
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon as Friday bright, to a drifted back and we got outside. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle
and our teachers. What I do believe is, because whatever our parents and teachers they do for us, they do just for our happiness. They want to see our smiling faces. They might be giving you many gifts, and what they get in return, that is only your beautiful smile. And when we look at the Christmas tree, what we have seen, a shining star on the Christmas tree. The green color of the Christmas tree indicates the prosperity and evergreenness in our life. Whatever the situations are, though sometimes it is very sad, but it will be changeable. It is not constant. The tree teaches us the faith upon our Creator, the faith upon our parents, the faith upon our teachers, the faith upon our friends.
I'm happy to be here this morning while seeing, enjoying the excitement that you people are maintaining on your face. Thank you very much for your participancy, involvement in this program. Also, I would like to appreciate today's anchors, Manjit Singh and Sakshi Pandey. Wonderful clarity of your voice and inspiring others. Keep it up in the coming days again. Well, I was listening the speech from Ashish Jha. It was also remarkable speech, and he pointed out what exactly the essential. As you know that whole world is celebrating and remembering the birth of Jesus. Everywhere you can see that hopefully people are coming to the street, singing the carol and distributing the sweets, chocolates, cakes and all. It brings really, one side you can see that 2025, it may be tough to few people, it may be problematic few, but at the same time, while stepping down the 2025, hopefully it's our responsibility to move towards to welcome the sunrise of 2026. And Christ's birth is giving us such a hope that definitely we'll win, we'll move forward, whatever it may be, the situation terrible, crucial in our personal life. Hopefully we will put our maximum effort and will prove our capacity and maintain the humanity. As you know that the main theme of the Christmas is that love, peace and hope. So I'll share a story this morning again. I don't have sufficient time, I'll move forward soon. You might have heard this story. Once a father, he came back to his home from his workplace, and his lovely son was waiting, eagerly waiting for his father's arrival, because he likes to play. He wants to play with his father. Nothing wrong. Father was totally tired. While reaching at home, he told the son that I cannot play right now, I am totally tired and I got some other office work remaining with me. So I had to complete through the laptop, computer, and he was concentrating the same. And son was hesitating to do that. Son again approached his father. What the clever father did, there was a world map. He torn out the world map and scattered manner he handed over to his son. And he told to his son that, son, if it is possible, you retain this world map and bring back to me. I'll be available this evening to play with you. Son was very clever. Son went back with that pieces and he started to look after everything. He kept all these papers, pieces into pieces, and he started to watch that backside of the world map. He realized that a full man's picture was there. The son was very clever. He started to identify top to bottom, fingers to hair, everything backside. He started to observe and retain the same manner. And afterward, he turned the paper turned back, and it is exactly the world map. He brought back to his father, and father couldn't realize that, and he started to ask that, somebody has helped you to do this. He said, no, father. Papa, you realize that backside of this world map, there was a gentleman's picture. I started to observe the gentleman picture, then I couldn't retain the world map. What the story says, see that celebration is good. Personally, I never used to encourage the celebration, but the outcome of the real celebration, all the celebrations, every celebration, it's good to take part. We will have a fresh mind. We will have a better mood with us. See, this sort of celebration, it's our responsibility to find out better human beings through our every action. See, needy people are there outside with a torn out, imbalanced condition. If something is there with you and me, at least 3 times food, clothes to wear, or to shelter to stay, it's our responsibility to reach out to the needy people. There are peaceless, discomfort people in the world around to you and me. Don't think that we have to go Ethiopia type nations. Needy people are there. It's our responsibility. Christmas says that you try to reach out the needy people. You try to reach out to the people with real charity. Whatever we are having, you try to share this, make it to several pieces, and take these pieces to the needy people. Definitely there will be an emergence of a new world. That's what exactly we need. You know that from that boy, that lovely son, he has projected us a better human, better message in front of us, that it's our responsibility to find out the broken people, the needy people, torn out people, peaceless people, and to reach out there and to help them maximum. So you try to do and try to practice in your personal life the charity. Definitely a better world you can experience in and around to you. That's all. A very Happy New Year. Before that, you know, Merry Christmas is there. Merry Christmas, I told you that happily putting down all the griefs in the pit, and also we are welcoming 2026 New Year. That's our hope. And during the Christmas time, I told you that Santas used to come in red and white color. You might have seen that at the end time and dance, many Santas, children, they were coming in red and white color. It shows the real mind to preserve, to consider, to reach out others. So instead of being self-minded, don't be a dissimulated person. Don't try to abhor the evil. Try to claim the goodness wherever we people are. That's all. Thank you very much. A very happy Christmas and a very
jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing up bushels of fun.